In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move trash mail to inbox in Gmail. If you've accidentally sent an email to the trash folder or you've found an important message there that you want to restore, Gmail makes it very easy to move it back to your inbox. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. To begin, open Gmail and go to your inbox. This will take you to the main mail view where you can access all of your folders and labels from the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. If that side menu is collapsed or you don't immediately see everything, don't worry. Gmail often keeps some folders hidden until you expand the list. Next, look at the left-hand column and click on More. This expands the full list of Gmail folders and gives you access to additional locations that aren't always visible by default. It's a useful section to know about, especially if you need to find archived, spam, or deleted messages. Once the menu expands, click on Trash in the left-hand column. This opens the trash folder where deleted emails are temporarily stored. Keep in mind that messages in trash are not kept there forever, so if you need to recover something important, it's best to do it as soon as possible. Now find the email you want to restore and click the checkbox next to it. This selects the message and allows you to apply actions to it. Be careful to choose the correct email, especially if several messages have similar subject lines. If needed, you can take an extra second to confirm the sender and subject before moving forward. After selecting the email, go to the toolbar at the top and click the Move icon. This is the icon that looks like a folder with an arrow in it. The Move function is what tells Gmail you want to place the email in a different folder instead of leaving it in trash. From the menu that appears, click on Inbox. As soon as you do that, Gmail will move the selected email out of trash and place it back into your inbox, where you can read it, reply to it, or organize it like any other message. And that's it. That's how to move trash mail back to your inbox in Gmail. If you're restoring something important, it can also be helpful to star it or move it into a label afterwards so it's easier to find later. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.